Live, this is Good Morning Texas.
Parents, I know it's been a while, but I know how challenging it can be to get the family ready for back to school. Tonia Tomlin of Sorted Out is here with her top 5 organization tips to get started. Good morning.
Good morning.
Great to see you. I love all this organization stuff. It makes things go so easy. So one of the things you talk about is it's a good idea to purge what's in your kids' closets and drawers before school starts. And you have just a couple of days to do that.
Yes, exactly. So welcome to back to school. You know, it's always a good idea to purge because, you know, kids go through those huge growing spurts over the summer, and it helps you take inventory. So things that are ripped, torn, you know, have them try on clothes even though they probably don't want to. It's good to, you know, put a bin in their closet too throughout the year and just have them put things in there that don't fit anymore.
Okay, that's a great idea. Yeah, get it done right then. Yes. So just put a bin like that, and then like if it's not working, throw it in there so we can get rid of it.
Yes, and if you teach them, you know, at an early age, just throw it in there. If you don't like it, throw it in there.
I like that. Yeah. Okay, what about that morning and evening routine? What help do you have for parents with that?
Yes, this is a great tip. You know, kids are very visual, so we need to give them a good checklist, and they also like rewards. So get them involved and have them just say, okay, here's what you need to do for your morning routine, and here's what you need to do for your evening routine, and make it fun.
Okay, and have them get involved.
Yes.
In the checklist itself. And then what about the reward?
You know, you could do something like baseball cards. You could do maybe, you know, a tiny little piece of candy or something really small, or ask them, is it maybe, you know, Robux or something like that for a reward.
Okay. You talk also about tip number 3 is organize that pantry before school starts and the kids start coming home in the afternoon and rooting through it, right?
Yes, and you know, it's very difficult to get, you know, sorted out before school and after school and hustling to sporting practices, dance, or whatever your children are involved in. So have a clearly labeled bin. I love these bins because they can kind of grab and go. They can help you also pack lunch for the next day.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Okay, I now just make my salad at night for myself, but I remember trying to please everybody when you're making those meals. Menu planning is really, really important. What do you have? What do you suggest to help with that?
Yes, that dreadful, you know, what is for dinner tonight? If you plan on Sunday nights or maybe even Saturday evening if you don't have a bunch of stuff going on, and figure out what it is that you're going to be eating for the week and help you food prep and shop throughout the week so you're not figuring out, oh my gosh, I don't have dinner tonight. And I have a menu planner that we use that you just had there, and I love that because it helps you not be stressed out and it saves you time.
Okay, what about a homework station? What do you put at a homework station?
Yes, I mean, you know, the kids are not going to want to do homework when they get home right away. They want to go play. They're used to being in, you know, summer mode. So have everything stocked with, you know, pens, pencils, glue, crayons, things like that. So it makes it more inviting for them and everything's already right there.
Also, if it's not there, it's a good excuse not to do it.
Not to do it, yeah, exactly.
That's a big distraction right there, a handy distraction.
Yes.
Okay, and you have a special offer for our back-to-school viewers.
Yes, so we are offering a free consultation for viewers. We've never done this before, so you have to watch and then contact our office for the offer.
Okay, and where can people find you and read your blog?
Yes, it's sortedout.com. Or they can call the office at 214-383-9985.
Okay, and go over the website one more time.
www.sortedout.com.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy back to school.
Yay.